The best way to get better at programming is to practice. In this example, we're going to use the if condition in order to make decisions inside of Java. As always, this file is available for download using a link in the description below. We'll pause for a couple of seconds to let you download that file. Then you can choose either follow along or attempt it on your own and check your answer. Alright, so let's get started. I have a basic class and the static main function already created. So if I want to come in here and check my couple of to-dos, the first one I want to check for is equality. And I'm going to say if age equals 35. So notice that in a lot of languages, we use the double equal sign to check for equality. Java is exactly the same. I'm then going to have my true block. Then I can do anything I want inside of my true block. So I can say system.out.println you are 35, just as an example here. So a couple of things about our if condition is it has to start obviously with if. Our condition has to be inside of parentheses. What's inside of parentheses has to be a Boolean value. So our condition where we check for equality is going to return a Boolean value. So this is acceptable because it will only return true or false. Then we have braces. Standard Java practice is to put our if block inside of braces, especially because we can have multiple lines of code. Now, what are we going to do if we want to check for less than or greater than? Well, it's very simple. I can say if age greater than 21, and you'll notice that we use the angle bracket for greater than. If I want greater than or equal to, I'll say the greater than angle bracket and then an equal sign afterwards. That would look something like that. Once again, I have a block. Anything I want to put in here, I can. I can do some additional processing. I can print something out to the console, etc. Now, with both of these have been true statements. So I'm going to do a if age is less than 16, so here we print out you're too young to get a driver's license if you are less than 16. If I go to run this, you'll notice that our is it equal to 35 block is true, so we print out you are 35. Age is greater than 21, therefore it says you are an adult. But when we look at our age less than 16, this is false. And so we do not print out you are too young to get a driver's license. So this is just a real simple example where we have a couple different ways of testing. And you notice that if our condition is false, we skip over that block of the if code. Hopefully this was helpful for you to learn how to use conditions inside of Java. We have more information coming up, so please consider giving this video a like and looking at the rest of the videos inside of this series.